so I'm playing Lumen by Jacob LaVallee.
All right, very nice, very nice. Let's clap it up for her. Yeah, so I think that's the first time that piece has ever been played on any piano other than Jacob's, or maybe Chris also played through it. Um, yeah, so let's give her some feedback. Let's give her some feedback. Any feedback? Julie wants to go first. All right. Go ahead.
So it was consistent and the dynamics were good, but I think the end could be softer.
Definitely.
The second to last note would be louder, and then the last note is softer, not the other way around.
Definitely. Great. I think that's good advice. Very good. So more variety of dynamics. Christopher wants to chime in here.
Yeah, I think the main thing I would say is probably incorporating a little bit more movement. I think that would help with dynamic variation. And then just kind of articulations. I think there are certain parts in the piece where even though there's a lot of notes, that certain notes are emphasized, and just kind of having that, bringing those notes out as well.
Yeah. Give her a second to write those things down. That's good feedback as well. We're almost done here, guys. This is the last bit. Any other piece of advice? You want to talk, Allison?
I like your phrasing and dynamics.
Okay, so good compliments on phrasing and dynamics. Yeah, I think you've done a very good job on your phrasing and dynamics. It probably can go a little bit further now and then, but her, I think the best thing that's going for all of her playing is the balance right now. There are parts where the right hand has two separate balance points, and that they need to one of them is pianissimo and one of them is mezzo forte, or so, maybe mezzo forte to forte. And she's done a really good job of spacing that out. It's really difficult. It's actually two different instruments in the original piece. One's like a synthesizer or something like that. So really good job, Julia, with two E's.